Percifield, and this is my assistant, Everett. Hi. Today we are going to demonstrate how to effectively remove an obsolete structure through precision demolition. As you can see, this outhouse behind me. Everett, let's raise this thing. The idea is to evenly place the sticks of TNT within the structure at a significant load-bearing point. As you can see, these sticks have already been wired. You don't need too many, just the right amount to do the job. Now we make sure that all the detonator wires are secured to the main cable. Alright, that looks good. Everett, shut the door and let's roll out the main cable. What we have here is an authentic Hercules blasting machine. Now that we're at a safe distance, we'll hook up the detonator wires. Now we're ready to fire. As you can see, we are taking proper safety precautions such as hard hats, safety glasses, and earplugs. Please do not try this at home because we are professionals. As I said before, it is very